It honestly does not matter what your first programming language is, so do both of us a favor. Pick one and stop worrying about it. What's up, gamers? It's your boy Chris here, aka CTG. Let's debunk some lies about programming. You see the background behind me? Learn C. Don't listen to any type of advice like that. Absolutely disregard anybody that tells you to learn a specific language first, because you're not asking yourself the right type of questions. Down below in the description, the first link, I'm leaving a link to an article by Peter Norvig. If you haven't read it, you've been living under a rock. Learn programming in 10 years. And that honestly answers all of you guys' questions when it comes to what programming language should I learn first. You're asking yourself the wrong questions, because it should really be, what do I plan to do with this language? What is my career goals? Do I even have a goal? Do I just want to do this as a hobby? There are a lot of questions that you have to ask yourself when you're getting into this programming nonsense. And my first one is really like, what are your goals? What are you trying to do with these languages? If you've realized that you are an individual that loves games, maybe look into game development. If you love the front end design, look into front end web development. If you're someone that likes numbers, look into analytics, data science, like how to learn programming in 10 years. And Peter says it very simple and just it clicks. And he just says, like, why are we all in such a rush? Like, and I do believe that it has something to do with like social media, us as humans, we're always advancing. And it's just like right now, today times, especially with social media, it's just like everything's just so fast, everything's so visual. People think that they gotta have it now, right now, yesterday. And that's honestly not how it is. And if you are trying to get into this business of programming and you think, okay, I'm gonna learn this stuff in 24 hours, 6 months, because you're seeing all these videos, especially on YouTube, this very website, seeing people get jobs in 6 months, 7 months, working at Amazon, Fang, like they are the rare cases, they are the unicorns, and they aren't the norms. So you need to understand that. And as Peter says, you just need to stop rushing. Like, calm down, mijo. Stop rushing, relax, ask yourself the most important questions. And that's gonna be it, gamers, for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Before we go, I'm gonna leave you guys with a gem of the video. I'm gonna try to do this every single video, give you guys some type of tips, tricks, or something that I think you guys should know. And this one's gonna go like, create systems so you can complete the goals that are most important to you. And to explain it in simple terms, our goals change all the time. They change so much. So just make sure that you create systems in place daily so you can complete those goals that are most important to you, whether your goals change or not. So that's what I got for you, gamers. Hope you all did enjoy today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.